shizumu. Hello, young explorers of the Japanese language. Today we are learning the new word shizumu. This word is a bit like your floating raft at a pool party. It can either float or it can sink. When we say something shizumu, it can mean it's diving down into a mysterious watery world. Or it may refer to that moment when the sun says goodbye for the day. But wait, it's not just about objects or the sky. When our spirits feel low, we can say they shizumu too, like a balloon losing its air. So grab your life jackets, because this word is taking us on a deep dive into meanings. Now, repeat after me. Shizumu, shizumu, shizumu. During a storm, a boat starts to take on water and someone shouts that it's going to sink. They say, 嵐の中で船が沈みそうだ. Which means, in the storm, the boat looks like it's going to sink. 嵐の中で船が沈みそうだ. 嵐の中で船が沈みそうだ. When someone feels very sad because their dreams are not coming true, they might say their hopes are sinking, which means, 夢が叶わないので希望が沈んでいる気がする. Which means, since my dreams aren't coming true, I feel like my hopes are sinking. 夢が叶わないので希望が沈んでいる気がする. 夢が叶わないので希望が沈んでいる気がする. While watching the sunset at the beach, someone says the sun is going down, so they express it by saying, ビーチで夕日が沈んでいるのを見ながら言った. Which means, while watching the sunset at the beach, I said the sun is going down. ビーチで夕日が沈んでいるのを見ながら言った. ビーチで夕日が沈んでいるのを見ながら言った. At a park, someone notices that the sun is setting behind the trees, and they remark that the sun is going down by saying, 公園で木の後ろに夕日が沈んでいるのに気づいた. Which means, at the park, I notice the sun is going down behind the trees. 公園で木の後ろに夕日が沈んでいるのに気づいた. 公園で木の後ろに夕日が沈んでいるのに気づいた. After hearing bad news, someone tells their friend they feel depressed, saying, 悪い知らせを聞いた後、私は沈んでいます. Which means, after I heard the bad news, I feel depressed. 悪い知らせを聞いた後、私は沈んでいます. 悪い知らせを聞いた後、私は沈んでいます. When a character in a story feels sad and alone, the writer might describe them by saying, 彼は一人ぼっちで沈んでいる. Which means he is feeling depressed and alone. 彼は一人ぼっちで沈んでいる. 彼は一人ぼっちで沈んでいる. Now let's dive into the kanjis. The kanji pshin in shizumu means sink or submerge. It's often used in contexts related to sinking or going under, physically or metaphorically. For instance, shizumu itself means to sink, describing the action of moving downwards into water or another substance. The word chinmuk refers to silence, invoking a sense of profound stillness, much like sinking into quietness. Similarly, chinbotsu means sinking, or specifically shipwreck, often used in historical or nautical contexts to describe ships going underwater. These words illustrate how the concept of sinking can represent physical, emotional, or situational descent. Finally, let's practice the word shizumu with some questions. Can you create a sentence about a ship, fune, sinking, shizumu, in the sea, umi? Think about an adventure at sea. 船が海に沈んでいます。The ship is sinking in the sea. 船が海に沈んでいます。船が海に沈んでいます。How about mentioning when the sun, 太陽, sets, 沈む, and describing the sky, 空. Imagine a beautiful sunset. 太陽が沈むとき、空が美しいです。When the sun sets, the sky is beautiful. 太陽が沈むとき、空が美しいです。太陽が沈むとき、空が美しいです。Can you express that someone's feelings, 気持ち, are sinking, 沈む? Think about how someone might feel sad. 彼の気持ちが沈んでいるようです。It seems that his feelings are sinking. 彼の気持ちが沈んでいるようです。彼の気持ちが沈んでいるようです。Can you construct a sentence talking about sinking, 沈む, being necessary, 必要, at certain times, 時, reflect on learning from tough moments. 沈むことは時に必要です。Sometimes sinking is necessary. 沈むことは時に必要です。沈むことは時に必要です。Well, that wraps up our nautical journey with the word shizumu. I hope you didn't sink too deep into confusion. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to keep floating along with us in our Japanese adventure. Until next time, keep your spirits high and remember, even if things seem to shizumu, there's always a chance to rise again. Peace.